Hello Metro children, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about surface area and volume. Three-dimensional shapes are all around us. Shapes like cube, pyramid, sphere, cone and cylinder. Let's suppose if the cloth that covers Kaaba needs to be replaced, then imagine how much fabric is going to be required. To know that, we must first calculate the surface area of Kaaba. Let's discuss how the surface area can be calculated for different shapes. Surface area. Surface area is the space occupied by the surface of a three-dimensional object. Let's take a cube for example. A cube has 6 faces. Since all 6 faces of the cube are made up of squares of the same dimensions, then the total surface area of the cube will be the surface area of one face added 6 times to itself. The formula will be A equals to 6A square. When we are looking at the surface area of a cube, we are looking at all the sides of the cube. So it is the sum of all surfaces of a three-dimensional object. In this shape, we have 7 surfaces. Surface area of a cuboid. A cuboid looks like a cube, but the difference is that in a cube all 6 sides are square shaped, but a cuboid has rectangular shaped faces. Let's work out the surface area of a cuboid whose length is 9 cm, width 5 cm and height is 12 cm. The formula to calculate the surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into width plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into width into height. After substituting the values in the formula, the surface area will be 426 cm square. Volume of a cuboid. Amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional solid is its volume. To calculate the volume of a cuboid, the formula that will be used is length into width into height. Let's work out the volume of the same cuboid. To do this, we will substitute the values in the formula. 9 into 5 into 12, the answer we get is 540 centimeter cubes. Surface area of a triangular prism. A prism is a three-dimensional shape with 2 identical shapes facing each other. These identical shapes are called bases. The prism has a rectangular base A measuring 8 cm by 6 cm. It has 2 rectangular faces B and C that measure 8 cm by 5 cm, and it has 2 triangular faces D and E, each with a base length of 6 cm and a perpendicular height of 4 cm. To calculate the surface area of the prism, the first step is to work out the area of the rectangle A with its formula A equals to length into width, so area will be 48 cm square. Step 2 is to work out the area of rectangle B and C, which are of same measurements, so it will be A equals to 8 into 5 equals to 40 cm squares. Third step is to calculate the area of the triangles D and E. To do this, we will use the formula of area of a triangle. So it will be A equals to 1 upon 2 base into height. The area of triangles will be 1 upon 2 6 into 4 equals 12 cm square. Now to calculate the surface area of the prism, we will add the area of all the shapes A, B, C, D and E. So it will be 152 cm squares. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching.